All right, so our next step is going to be our tailgate right there. And being I am building this to have some slide outs come out, I can't make one tailgate to hit the ground because it's going to stick out too far, 2 feet. And that would be an inconvenience for how I'm going to do my cooking stove. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to actually build a gate that bifolds and then folds all the way to the ground. So as you can see, I've got some stuff mocked up here on the driver's side of the gate. You can see a piece of angle on the top, you can see a piece of angle, and then there's some other angle along the way there. So I'm gonna step into the scene here. So basically what we're gonna do, I'm gonna raise this up a little bit. So basically what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take the angle iron. I'm gonna take the angle iron, if you can see it here. And most gates are built with the angle on the outside because they'll use a ramp, and then that gives support. I'm not going to have a ramp on this, so I'm going to churn it so the angle goes in to my angle here. So I've got 2 flat pieces matching, like you can see here, and then I will put a seal in there and try to keep out the elements as best as I can. Like I said, I'm going to make a bifold, so this is roughly 2 feet, maybe a little shy. Find center, cut me 4 or 5 sticks of that, whatever I need, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we'll have a top and a bottom on each section. And what's going to happen is they'll bifold down. I've got some weld-on hinges that I bought. We'll grab those. So we'll weld these hinges. They're greasable. We'll weld these hinges, here, and then of course one's going to go there, and then I got to figure out how I'm going to mount the other one, or how I'm going to mount them, and then that way, however it works out. I haven't figured out where I'm placing my hinges and things like that yet. When I do, you'll see it. So for right now, I'm going to go ahead and start doing some measurements. And when I get some things cut, I'll jump back on the channel here and kind of show you what we're doing, maybe have a mock-up on what's going on. So I'll talk to you guys later.